Here we are on site, and what we've found is a 50mm pipe that's damaged. Dug the trench out, dug it back so that we can actually conduct the repair. I've got myself here a 50mm metric pipe repair kit from Philmac. What you'll note is that the carton is labelled 50mm pipe repair kit. The other identifier as to whether the kit is actually metric or rural is to note the blue stripes on the pipe. What we'll do now is walk you through how to repair the metric pipe. When I remove the kit from the packaging, you'll note that there's 2 slip couplings and one 450mm long piece of pipe. Don't dispose of the packaging straight up, because you note on the side of the packaging is a 6-step walk me through instruction. What I'll do now is demonstrate how that 6-step process works. It's not critical that you utilise the full 450mm. If the piece of pipe that you cut out is actually shorter than that, then you can cut this pipe to suit. On the packaging, you'll note for the 40 and 50mm pipe that we have a minimum cut length and a maximum cut length. Okay, provided the cut is more than 240mm long, then this process will work fine. So I'm going to cut now the piece of pipe that's damaged. I'm going to cut roughly 150mm either side of the hole. Okay, now that that's done, it's important to take the piece of repair pipe that was supplied, actually lay it in the trench and mark off the cut distance. You can do that with your thumb, with a Chinograph pencil if you've got one, texter, piece of dirt, many options. Just cut that pipe to length. And just check that it fits within the gap. Okay, so we've got a small gap either side, and that's perfect for this exercise. What I recommend you do now is take one of the slip repair couplings, slide it onto the pipe, up to position, take the second and slide that into position. Now take your piece of cut length pipe, align it with the centre of the fitting body. Just mark the end of the nut, okay? Do that on both ends, because what that's going to do is tell us how far we need to slide the repair fitting back into position. Next step, just drop that in position, slide your repair coupling up to the mark. What that does is guarantee that there's a seal either side of that pipe joint, and the next step is simply to tighten the nuts. And just give it a final nip up, repair job complete. So a reasonably simple installation from Philmac. Okay, we've had a good day in the Adelaide Hills today, and just before we leave, I'd like to draw your attention to the back of the pipe repair packaging. What it is just a description of Philmac's UTC range. UTC stands for Universal Transition Coupling. What it is it's a coupling that's designed to accommodate all different pipe types. So you can join your copper, your PVC, stainless steel, galvanised iron, even the old C&D class pipe that still exists in the ground today. This fitting will connect it without any problems at all. The fitting is watermarked and therefore can be used in plumbing applications or just on farm as required. I guess one of the beauties about this fitting is that often you attend a job that you have no idea what pipe is going to be in the ground, pipe may be damaged, etc. This really is a one-stop shop when it comes to a fitting that can join all of the pipe types that you see commonly buried in Australia today and gets the job done for you.